Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you a project I did on Monday.com. Let me take you to my Monday.com dashboard. This is the project I recently worked on for a client. I built a production status board in Monday.com for a promotional product service sourcing agency. The goal of this project was to help their team manage production order with their overseas vendors from different order stages such as PO sent to sample, production, quality control, shipping, and delivery. I decided to segregate each order stage, as you can see here, to make it easy to comprehend. Each other stage are actually segregated into different groups. We have PO sent, sample, production, and I also created another board called Vendor Tracker Board. This helps to link the two boards together, linking the production order boards to the vendor tracker board for accessibility, easy accessibility. And I created a carbon view here so that it can also be easy to monitor as well. As you can see, the carbon view of the products. Then I also created a dashboard which was requested by the client. It comprises of different widgets. I use the number widget for active order. We currently have 14 active order. Then I use the battery widget to show the overall, let me show you, overall completion rate. Then we have the bar chart. This is count versus against the state other stages as well. I also decided to add timeline here because there are different date columns such as due date on uh, production order board. Then I went ahead to integrate Slack here because when we have some from some automation that requires the use of Slack. I also created a form here, and this form will be attached to their website or embedded to their website, and this is how clients actually make their orders. It's easier this way, and whenever the form is filled, it's loading, please. But there's a form here. Whenever the form, okay, I think this is the form. So whenever the form is filled, the order is actually sent to this, as you can see, incoming form answer. It is attached to this first group here, which is the first order stage. And I created some automations. Let me take you through the automations that were actually created here. Okay. 12 days after due date arrive, and only if order stages deliver, archive items are moved to the archive group. When order stage changes to PO sent, move item to PO sent. These are the automation I created. I created about 9 automation for a seamless production order. And one day before due date arrive, notify the Slack team, the Slack production team, that the due date is almost at hand. When order stage change to shipping, move item to shipping group. When due date arrive and only if order stage is not delivered, notify the coordinator. So these are the different automations I created on this particular project. Like I told you earlier on, I created 2 birds and 1 dashboard. This is the second board. This is what it looks like. Comprises of the information of the vendors. So that is all I did on